Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to restore missing recycle bin in Windows 11. Recycle bin stores the deleted files and folders temporarily in your system. It can be used to restore the files if deleted accidentally. This proves to be a great relief if you mistakenly delete important files or folders. Usually, its icon appears on the desktop. In prior versions of Windows, it was one of the default icons that was automatically assigned to each desktop. However, it is not the case in Windows 11. If you do not see this icon, there's no need to panic. You can get it back in a few simple steps. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Personalization from the left side list. Go to Themes. Click on Desktop icon Settings. A new window will open. Check Recycle Bin option. Click on Apply and OK. The icon will appear on the desktop. Uncheck Recycle Bin option to hide icon from the desktop. Click on Apply OK. Check Recycle Bin option. Click on Apply and OK. The icon will appear on the desktop.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!